just got the first order of the day. This is Black Rock Coffee, $7, going 3.5 miles. Why is that door not open? Why is that door not open? Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $6 and change, going less than a mile.
Lisa?
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person. We've got Gravity Coffee and IHOP going just under 7 miles.
Here is it.
Thank you.
Oh,
Got it.
have a good one.
You too.
Thank you.
Combo, so it's Basil G.
Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Why is this a hand to customer? Come on, man. Hello. I did not realize those two orders took that long. I think it was like 40 something minutes. It ended up being $22 and change, so definitely worth it either way. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 4 miles.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one ended up being $7. Not bad, not bad. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe this is alcohol. This is $7 and change, going 3 miles, only one item. Yes. Okay, well, I am currently losing my because this stupid app is not working for me. I don't know what's going on. Whenever I try to submit the receipt to get the customer's address so I can actually deliver, it's not sending for some reason. It's stuck on submitting photo, and I thought it was just a connection issue. Like, I'm driving around trying to get better service, but like, even where that store is, I shouldn't have issues. So I'm assuming it's the app itself. Also, I know it's not even the connection issue because other apps and other things are working properly. I can't even get like Uber support to load so I can contact somebody about this.
Okay, so I'm so sorry to hear that, but thank you for letting me know they're gonna be constrained. So you're having an app issue right now. Just stay on the line. I will need to place this call and hold you for 5 minutes to call this customer. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
So is there anything else can I help you with?
Nope, that'll be it for now. Luckily, I drove a little closer to the address by accident. I didn't know which direction I was even heading, so I kind of guessed. But it's like pretty close to this. I don't know what's going on with the app. Like, I'm still...
Yeah, the app is looking all crazy.
Like, I'm still trying to like submit the receipt from like when I got out of the store right now. Okay, well, I don't even know where to begin, where to end. We're closing Uber and we're not opening it. That's where we're at right now. What time is it? 8:17. What time did I finish this purchase? 7:36. Nice. I finally got the next order. This is IHOP going 5 miles.
For Charles.
Yep.
I got you right there. Again, you're all good to go, man.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. I just realized this is a Hanta customer. I don't even care at this point. Like, this guy can punch me in the face when I give him his food and I would not be any different in mood. How do you get in here? Yeah, delivering. Total was $5 for that one. 0 tip on that one, by the way. Why would there be a tip? Next order, this is Nectar Juice Bar going 6 miles. Thank you. Total for that one was $10. Next order up, we've got Victorico's going 8 miles. Looks like they're giving me a Black Rock Coffee add-on. I think this is going an extra mile.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's different. Usually when it's a stacked order or add-ons, it doesn't show me until I complete the second order. I got $5 for that one. Total for that one was $9, and we got the next one right away. This is Jamba Juice going 5 miles. What is this? They want to give me a Party City add-on going an additional 9 miles. Do I take it? Do I hate myself that much today? Let's do it. Thank you.
The store does not open until 10 a.m. Sorry. Looks like it'll open in like 2 minutes.
Yeah, I just had another order in my car. That's why I'm like, ugh.
Yeah, I feel you. I hate I only took this out of like because I don't have a choice, but like
Yeah.
this is one of those. It's 10. It doesn't open for 2 minutes, so I'm gonna say, hey, it's closed.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, I only took it because I hate myself.
well, now I guess we are doing. I switched to per offer. Hate my life. I'm going. You know what? I'm gonna go home today. Well, I hope you have a good day.
Yeah.
Well, good luck to you.
Thank
man.
you.
Have
You
a good
too.
day.
You too. Thank you.
Dragging the balloons is so fun. There you go. Did you want the receipt for it?
Sure.
There you go.
0 tip on that one, so kind of glad I picked up this Party City order. Total was $7 for that one.
So much. Oh my gosh. Just don't leave yet. Let me put these in the house.
Okay.
This is not. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay. Hold on 1 second.
Hi. There's that. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so
Have a good day. Total for that one was $11 and change plus the $10 bill she gave me, $21. Not bad, actually. I'm at 108. Literally, how am I on pace right now? I don't know. I'm not gonna push my luck any further. I'm gonna call it here because I am so over today. Current time is 10:40. And like I said, the total, we are at 108. What a horrible day. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.